Loake Safety Tire has a global supply chain and research and development capabilities, revitalizing tires with new value and extended lifespan. We take pride in our self-healing hyperpolymer technology, which makes Loake tires a leader in the industry. The high polymer fusion memory rubber coating of Loake tire delivers exceptional performance. The self-repair function, operating seamlessly within a temperature range from -40 degrees centigrade to 120 degrees centigrade. When sharp objects with a diameter of less than 8 mm penetrate the tire, the high polymer coating instantly tightly encapsulates them, preventing air leakage. Upon removal of the sharp object, the protective coating fails and seals the puncture, effectively solve air leakage and tire blowout issues. In other words, the high polymer coating inside our tires is like giving them a bulletproof vest, truly achieving the puncture-proof effect. Loake Safety Tire is a fearless new material tire, ensuring the safety of you and your family's lives. We provide unmatched assurance. Choose Loake Safety Tire and drive with confidence every time.